Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Electrician Tools is probably one of the most important investments you will ever make. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out in the field, the right tools can make all the difference in terms of efficiency, safety, and the overall quality of your work. This video will cover essential tools and accessories every electrician needs, from basic hand tools to more specialized equipment, helping you navigate the vast world of options and choose the best tools for your specific needs and budget. Number 5. Klein Tools 80016 Circuit Breaker Finder Kit. This kit is a complete solution for quickly and accurately identifying electrical circuits. It saves you time and effort when working on home or commercial projects. Easily locate the correct breaker for outlets and fixtures. It's a high-performance tool designed for convenience and value. The digital receiver provides clear signals when the correct breaker is found, making the process simple and efficient. It works on standard AC circuits and includes a built-in GFCI outlet tester to check wiring and test GFCI devices. It's suitable for various applications. The kit comes with a 3-prong to 2-prong adapter for broader compatibility and a light socket adapter for easy circuit identification in lighting fixtures. This ensures that it can be used in a wide variety of situations. What we like. This kit has everything you need for precise circuit identification. It offers clear visual and audible signals, saving you time and frustration. If you're tackling electrical work and need reliable circuit tracing, this is the perfect choice for both residential and commercial applications. Number 4. Klein Tools MAG2. This is the Klein Tools MAG2, a handy tool for magnetizing and demagnetizing your screwdrivers. It uses powerful rare earth magnets for quick and easy use. With it, you can easily magnetize your screwdriver bits and tips with a single swipe. This makes picking up screws much easier and more efficient. The powerful rare earth magnets provide immediate magnetization and demagnetization. Just slide your screwdriver in and out for quick results. It's compatible with a wide variety of screwdrivers, including precision screwdrivers and common sizes like number 2 and number 3 Phillips. It's a versatile tool for any toolbox. It features a stainless steel key ring, so you can easily attach it to your tool bag or backpack. Always have it on hand when you need it. No need to charge batteries, it uses powerful magnets to do the job. It's simple, convenient, and always ready to use. It's assembled in the USA with global components, ensuring high-quality materials and performance. You can trust in its reliability. Simply insert your screwdriver fully into the magnetizing slot and slowly pull it out. Avoid rotating the screwdriver while removing it. What we like. This magnetizer-demagnetizer offers quick and easy magnetization and demagnetization of your screwdriver bits. Its powerful rare earth magnets ensure a strong hold. If you value speed and convenience in your work, this tool will be a game changer. What people say. Great magnetism, using on all my tools, very strong magnet, pocket size perfect, excellent value, seems pretty durable so far. The Klein Tools MAG2 Demagnetizer has proven to be an invaluable addition to my toolkit, enhancing the precision and efficiency of my work. This compact and versatile tool has simplified my tasks involving screwdriver bits and tips, offering the flexibility to magnetize or demagnetize as needed. Dual functionality. One of the standout features is its dual functionality. I can quickly switch between magnetizing and demagnetizing modes with a simple and intuitive process. This versatility allows me to adapt the tool to the specific task, whether I need precise control over tiny screws or the convenience of a magnetic tip. Enhanced precision. The Klein Tools MAG2 has significantly enhanced the precision of my work, especially when dealing with small screws and delicate components. Magnetizing screwdriver tips ensures a secure grip on screws, preventing accidental drops and facilitating effortless insertion. Brilliant key fob design. Very powerful magnetizer. The best I've ever used. Really does the job right, first time, every time. Clip it onto your tool belt or keys and you won't lose it, ready when you need it most. No fishing around in the bottom of your toolbox. Number 3. Klein Tools 50900 Wrench Set. This innovative wrench set tackles tough jobs with ease. Its unique design makes working in tight spaces a breeze. It features opposing offset bends for effortless tightening and loosening of lock nuts. Say goodbye to frustration in confined areas. The set includes the most commonly used conduit sizes, 1 2-inch, 3 4-inch, and 1 inch. You'll always have the right tool on hand. Internal magnets keep the wrenches together, making storage simple and preventing loss. Organization is key for efficiency. Its slim profile allows for easy access in the most challenging spaces. Get the job done, no matter how tight the quarters. Etched markings and color coding make it easy to quickly identify the size you need. No more fumbling around for the right tool. The hooked tip provides maximum leverage for quick and efficient work. Get the job done faster and easier. Made from durable steel, it's built to withstand even the toughest jobs. It's a reliable tool you can depend on. What we like. These offset wrenches are designed for easy access in tight spaces. The set includes the most commonly used sizes, and the magnetic storage keeps them organized. If you work in confined areas and need reliable tools, this set is a must-have. Number 2. 1000V Insulated Screwdriver Set. This 1000V insulated screwdriver set is VDE and GS approved, ensuring a safe working environment for all electrical tasks. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, each screwdriver boasts a magnetized tip and manganese phosphate surface for reliable performance. It includes a variety of bits, Torx, Phillips, positive, and slotted, plus an electroprobe and a removable handle, making it a comprehensive set. The user-friendly design allows for easy blade installation and removal, perfect for various tasks and hand sizes. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is ideal for automotive repairs, household appliance maintenance, and more. What we like. This set prioritizes safety with its 1000V insulation and VDE GS certifications. It includes a wide variety of bits for diverse tasks, and the replaceable handle adds to its versatility. If safety and a comprehensive selection are your priorities, this is the ideal kit for you. What people say. Take up little space and seem to be made of good metal. The material is of good quality and the handle does not slip with the glove. The handle is comfortable and the tips fit very well in the handle. The casing is hard plastic and allows several screwdrivers to be carried in a small space. Number 1. MASJENBU 24 PCS Screwdriver Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need for various tasks. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With 26 pieces, including 12 interchangeable bits, it handles virtually any screw type. You'll always have the right tool for the job. It's VDE and GS certified for 1000V insulation, ensuring your safety when working with electricity. Made with chrome vanadium steel bits and magnetic treatment, it offers superior durability and magnetism for professional use. The ergonomic handle provides comfort even during extended use. The secure bit fit prevents accidental loosening. From electrical work to home repairs, it's the reliable tool you need. It's also a great gift for any handy person. What we like. This extensive set provides a wide range of bits for any project, and the strong magnets ensure a secure grip. Its safety certifications give you peace of mind. If you need a versatile and safe option for various tasks, this set is a great investment. What people say. This looks like a high-quality insulated screwdriver set. The individual bits grab super tight to the handle and are quite difficult to remove without grip gloves. The 1000V rating is sort of a leap of faith. I recently bought this set of insulated screwdrivers to add to my electrical tools. The kit is complete and the quality is very high. The insulation on the shaft of the screwdriver protects the user from accidental contact with something other than the item being installed or removed. I was surprised by the quality of these. Even the case is above what I expected. Buyers should understand that there is some doubling of the pieces. For example, the Phillips set includes a doubled set. But then you will likely use that piece a lot. Also, this set seems to be rebranded on Amazon under different companies, so you looks like several companies are selling this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.